Hi everyone! So today it's day 4, it's Wednesday. Got my coffee. So today's flavor is caramel macchiato. So I'm trying all different flavors here at 7-Eleven, which is very convenient. So I think today's plan is we just want to see different shops here. So I think we are going to go to the place, it's a shopping mall, it's called The Grove. So we're going to visit that. Then there are a few shops around. I think there is a camera shop there in that same area. And at some point, I want to do the tour of Paramount Studios, maybe today or maybe another day. So you could spend quite a lot of time here, but still not be able to do all the things you want to do and eat all the food that you want to eat. So another thing on today's itinerary is getting some laundry done. So there is a washing machine and dryer at the Airbnb. So I'm just going to quickly dry the laundry. We're just having some Indian snack here. So this is called Safe Puri. So it's a savory stuff and tangy as well with some tamarind chutney in it. Oh, it's really nice. And then this is dabeli. So it's like bread and then some potato filling, and it's really savory and tangy as well. And this is some rose lassi. So it's yogurt, rose and sugar. So it tastes really good. It looks really nice as well, nice pink. So yeah, so that's my breakfast for today. Exciting. So this thing, you're supposed to put the whole thing in your mouth at once. Oh! We are just going to the shopping mall here, the Grove. I think it's supposed to be an upscale shopping mall. So it will be interesting to see what type of shops they have here. You can see the area looks nicer here as well. So it was a bit gray in the morning, but now the sun is shining. So looking pretty nice. So I'm already starting to see some interesting shops. So backcountry.
You are now riding a custom-built Charlie that weighs astonishing 50,000 pounds. I also want to mention that we're fully electric. That's right, we are fully electric. Due to our power source and our weight, we can only achieve a top speed of 5 miles per hour. Right now, the iconic spirit of Los Angeles statue. The spirit of Los Angeles.
So found the bookstore, Barnes and Nobles. So going in there. The store is really, really big. I'm just walking here. I'm looking at all these books. So we are at the farmers market, which is next to the shopping mall Grove, and we are just looking for something to eat. The place looks quite busy, so that's a good sign. So we are here in the area. It's called Fairfax Avenue. So the Grove was just there, the farmers market. Then they have Whole Foods market here, CVS pharmacy, and I think there is a big supermarket back there as well. So yes, so lots of big shops on Fairfax Avenue. It is so hot at the moment. So it's around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We are going to this big camera shop called Sammy's Camera. So apparently this is the biggest camera shop here in Los Angeles. So just want to go have a look. So they have psychic here as well if you want to know about your future. This was $18. Please don't judge me. I've saved long time for this trip. Oh my god. And I've got some sushi for later. I don't want to open it here because I haven't washed my hands, so just going to save it for later. But that smoothie is so good. So there is a doggy daycare there for La Pooch. So I just went to the 7-Eleven to get some water on the way back, and their card machine wasn't working, and we didn't have any cash. So the girl who works at the 7-Eleven, she gave us a free Slurpee. So I go to the same 7-Eleven every day. Look at this Slurpee. Can you tell how big it is? How big it is? And she gave this Slurpee for free. So people are so nice. So really appreciate it because we were really thirsty. So now I've just had a shower, and all that's left to do is try this sushi that I bought at Erewhon. If someone can tell me how to say this word. So let's have a look. So it says it has got organic cucumber, organic avocado, organic carrot, nori, ginger, wasabi, brown and white rice, vinegar, sea salt. Okay, it's looking pretty good. So nice. Then I've got some tamari soya sauce. I think I'm just going to put soya sauce on all of these a little bit. You know, they're soaked in soya sauce. This is the most uncultured way of eating sushi. Oh, they're nice actually. Good. Mmm. 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 I generally don't like the ginger with the sushi, but I'm just going to try one piece. I'm sure I'm gonna regret it. Struggling with the chopsticks. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Ginger is sweet, which is unusual, but it's really, really good. So I think I'm just going to enjoy some sushi, have my big gulp, and then just relax. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, And thank you very much for watching, and we'll go on another adventure tomorrow in LA. So bye for now.